Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was the Martand Sun Temple is located in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Odisha or Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. The Martand Temple was built by the Karkota dynasty king Lalitaditya Muktapida, who ruled Kashmir from 725 AD to 753 AD. Hence, option D is correct. The Martand temple has three distinct chambers, the Mandapa, the Garbhagriha and the Antralaya, probably the only three-chambered temple in Kashmir. The temple is built in a unique Kashmiri style, though it has definite Gandhar influences. Raja Tarangini, written in the 12th century by Kalhana, contains a description of Martand's grandeur. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, PM Shri Yojana is related to space, defense, blue economy or school education. The correct answer is option D, school education. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, the Prime Minister of India has announced the development and upgradation of 14,500 schools across India under the Pradhan Mantri Schools for Rising India or PM Shri Yojana. Hence, option D is correct. The PM Shri schools will have a modern, transformational and holistic method of imparting education. Emphasis will be on a discovery-oriented, learning-centric way of teaching. The focus will also be on modern infra, including the latest technology, smart classrooms, sports, and more. Next question is, Eklavya Model Residential Schools or EMRS started in 1995-96, 1996-97, 1997-98 or 1998-99. The correct answer is option C, 1997-98. Recently, EMRS teacher Sri Siddharth Yonzon was conferred the National Teachers Award 2022 by the President of India. EMRS started in the year 1997-98 to impart quality education to ST children in remote areas. Hence, option C is correct. The school focused not only on academic education but on the all-round development of the students. Each school has a capacity of 480 students, catering to students from 6 to 12. In order to give further impetus to EMRS, it has been decided that by the year 2022, every block with more than 50% ST population and at least 20,000 tribal persons will have an EMRS. Eklavya schools will be on par with Navodaya Vidyalaya. Next question is, the Ramon Magsaysay Award was set up by trustees of the Rockefeller Brothers Fund and which of the following countries? Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia or Philippines? The correct answer is option D, Philippines. Recently, former Kerala Health Minister has declined her nomination for the 2022 Ramon Magsaysay Award. In 1957, the Ramon Magsaysay Award was set up by trustees of the Rockefeller Brothers Fund and the Philippine government to carry forward Magsaysay's legacy of service to the people, good governance and pragmatic idealism. Hence, option D is correct. The award is given out every year on August 31 on Magsaysay's birth anniversary. The award was launched in 1958. It is widely considered to be Asia's equivalent to the Nobel Prize, recognizes outstanding leadership and communitarian contributions in Asia. Next question is, the Indian Council of Agricultural Research or ICAR's National Research Center on Equines or NRCE is located at Rohtak, Panipat, Sonipat or Hisar. The correct answer is option D, Hisar. The ICAR is aiming to commercially launch in 4-5 months its indigenously developed vaccine against the lumpy skin disease or LSD virus. The vaccine Lumpy Provac Ind has been jointly developed by ICAR's NRCE at Hisar, Haryana and the Indian Veterinary Research Institute or IVRI at Izzat Nagar, UP. It is a live attenuated vaccine similar to those against tuberculosis, measles, mumps and rubella. Hence, option D is correct. It is also homologous, providing 100% protection against LSD in cattle. Currently, we are only administering goat pox and sheep pox virus vaccines. These are heterologous vaccines offering only cross protection up to 60 to 70% for cattle against LSD. Next question is the MOXIE experiment is related to which of the following planets? Mercury, Mars, Venus or Uranus? The correct answer is option B, Mars. The Mars Oxygen in Situ Resource Utilization Experiment is better known as MOXIE. Hence, option B is correct. NASA is preparing for human exploration for Mars, and MOXIE demonstrates a way that future explorers might produce oxygen from the Martian atmosphere for propellant and for breathing. It makes oxygen like a tree does. It inhales carbon dioxide and exhales oxygen. It is the size of a car battery. Next question is, which of the following has become the first country to approve an inhaled COVID vaccine? Britain, USA, Japan or China? The correct answer is option D, China. Recently, China has become the first country to approve an inhaled COVID vaccine. Hence, option D is correct. Made by CanSino, it has similar ingredients to its injected vaccine using a harmless adenovirus as a carrier for the genetic code that teaches the body how to fight COVID. Inhaled as a fine mist, Convidacia air can provide good protection after just one breath. Other researchers, including team in the UK and the US, have been investigating nasal spray vaccines. Next question is, which of the following is known as mother of pearl? Nacre, aragonite, conchiolin or mollusk? The correct answer is option A, nacre. Currently, the Indian government has been encouraging pearl fishing as part of its Blue Revolution, a plan to modernize the nation's fishing industry. Under the scheme, the government pays for half the cost of setting up a pond for pearl fishing. Pearls are formed when a mollusk reacts to an irritant in its protective membrane. The mollusk deposits layers of aragonite and conchiolin, which together form nacre, also known as mother of pearl. Hence, option A is correct. In the wild, pearl formation is rare, so most pearls sold these days are from farm mollusks, usually oysters or freshwater mussels. Next question is, the Catatumbo lightning phenomenon is associated with which of the following countries? Peru, Bolivia, Colombia or Venezuela? The correct answer is option D, Venezuela. The Catatumbo lightning is an atmospheric phenomenon in Venezuela. Hence, option D is correct. It occurs only over the mouth of the Catatumbo River, where it empties into Lake Maracaibo. It originates from a mass of storm clouds over nearby mountains. It occurs over and around Lake Maracaibo, typically over the bog area formed where the Catatumbo River flows into the lake. Next question is, measles disease is caused by virus, bacteria, fungi or protozoa? The correct answer is option A, virus. Zimbabwe's measles outbreak has so far claimed 685 lives. Measles is a highly contagious, serious disease caused by a virus. Hence, option A is correct. Measles is caused by a virus in the Paramyxovirus family, and it is normally passed through direct contact and through the air. The virus infects the respiratory tract, then spreads throughout the body. Measles is a human disease and is not known to occur in animals. Unvaccinated young children are at the highest risk of measles and its complications, including death. There is no specific antiviral treatment that exists for measles virus. Last question is, who among the following began construction of the Amber or Amber Palace? Raja Man Singh I, Raja Jai Singh, Raja Aditya Singh or Raja Suraj Singh? The correct answer is option A, Raja Man Singh I. Amber, pronounced Amber, is at a distance of about 11 kilometers from Jaipur. Now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it was the bastion of the Kachawas of Amber. The palace, located in craggy hills, is a beautiful melange of Hindu and Mughal styles. Raja Man Singh I began construction in 1592, and the palace, which was built as a strong, safe haven against attacking enemies, was completed by Mirza Raja Jai Singh. Hence, option A is correct. It is made up entirely of red sandstone and white marble. Now it's time for the practice question. The International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is celebrated on September 10th, September 9th, September 8th or September 7th. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.